My mama's making 7-layer dip. You get a can or two. We're using 2 cans of refried, or just black beans. She blended them in the blender, added some sauteed onions, and now she's making the sour cream layer and just dumped in, was it 1 or 2 taco seasonings?
No, just one.
Just one?
Half of one.
Half a seasoning. Already chopped up all the tomatoes, and now I'm gonna chop up some avocados. To get the avocado pit, you stab it like that and twist, and then to pop it off, you pinch it like this. Cool, huh?
So on Sunday, Chris is gonna bring them.
Smash your avocado on a plate. That's my mom's trick. She says it's easier. Wanna salt these, Mom?
Salt and lemon juice.
Salt and lemon juice so they don't turn brown. If we refrigerate it, it would be less runny, right?
Yeah, if we...
What happened with the frijoles?
Frijoles are right down there.
I know, but...
Maybe I made them. I should have should have removed them, the water on them.
Oh, you left the water in the can?
Yeah.
Gotcha. I know. Yes. Real queso. That's only 6 layers. What's the... Are we going to add olives?
We can.
Here's the lovely 7-layer dip. It's missing the olives. We couldn't find any. With lovely dinner steak and sweet potatoes. Thank you, Mama. Yummy. Good job, Mommy. Thank you for joining me at my little country kitchen. I enjoyed spending time with my mom and dad.